Hi folks, I'm gonna try to show you what's all involved in changing your subframe bushings on this particular car. Is a 97 Buick LeSabre. It'll work on Bonnevilles, LeSabres. I can't really tell you every car that'll work for it, but probably very similar. I have the car up on ramps, and you could jack it up. Try to show you this. Here's the back subframe bushing. This one actually is not rusted or rotted. Right there, that hole is where my bad one is on both sides. And this here is where the front one is. Right there. Also in great shape. So one front one and two back ones. So I have the car driven up on ramps. Those subframe bushing bolts are already loose. That one's already out. This is how I have control of the subframe now. Jacked up right there. Got an impact and a jack. As you can see, I'll lower it. Or raise it. Right now I need it lowered. And you can come completely out of that jack. The other three bolts on the other side, I speculate, are what's holding it. This here, focus, is the subframe bushing itself. This right here is what has to go up above through the top of that hole of the subframe, along with that. I'll go up in there just like that. There's a washer and a bolt. And this here pushes in to that. This washer, bolt, tie it all together. Of course, that's upside down right now. So this, you have to sneak in to the top side of that subframe. I do apologize, I don't have an extra hand. Somebody to video this for me. So basically, this goes in the top side. In there. And that other part that I showed you, the other two pieces of the rubber grommet piece and the washer, go up into there. And there's a nut up in the frame that bolt tightens to. But it's not going to reach like this, so you have to get your washer and your other rubber grommet lined up. And then, I don't know if it's the right way to do it, but then once they're lined up, I push up on that, and it mashes it all tight. You keep working that other piece into that one, keep working up, and eventually you'll be able to make the threads up. And then tighten her down and go through and tighten all your other ones up. There is a spec in torque on those. I'm not sure what it is. I found 108 foot-pounds, but it's tight. It's got to suck everything together. Here's what the finished looks like. There's obviously an old one. You can see how rusted it is. There's a new one. I'm not sure if you can see that, but you can see how smashed tight it is. This is all right inside the front tire. There's the other one I just did. And of course the one in the front. I hope this helps. I guess once you figure out what you got to do, it's really not that bad. It is a pain in the ass to get those lined up. But I hope you found this helpful. And check back for other videos. Thanks.